Hey guys, Vintage Harbor Breeze, etc. Back with another ceiling fan video. And today we don't have one, but two Harbor Breeze caleras to demonstrate today. They are both installed right in here, and they're on the highest point of the ceiling because the ceiling is low. And I don't even really have to lift my hand up to smack into this thing. So yeah, there's okay, I can almost touch that ceiling, and I'm only about 5'4", and this ceiling is probably about 5'10". So yeah, I'm just gonna put one in forward, just this one right here, because that one does not want to work in reverse. So, and yes, I know this says fan, but it's the light. This pull chain does not like to retract at all. Yeah, that's the only pull chain I had for it. I'll run them with the lights off. Alright, now we'll start it off low. There it goes. The reverse switch on this one is wonky, and that one's just gave up. So, there we go. This one's got a single loose blade, and since I am not allowed to take the lights off, I can't tighten the blades, so hopefully they don't fly off. This one's wiring goes over here to the power strip. This one's, it's just pretty straightforward. That one's got scratchy bearings, a broken reverse switch, and its set screw is missing. It also has bent blades. This is the best I could fix it. Now let me go back. Here's the install on low. I'll turn it to 0.5. Yeah, I can see a whole bunch of rust in there, so that's why it's doing that. Okay, turn them up to medium. Dang it. Hold on a second. Gotta switch hands there. There we go. These both have bad capacitors, so they pretty much operate just the same. Low is still existent, but medium is faster than high on both of them, and it's just a mess. You can see how bad this one wobbles. Here's this one. This is as fast as this one goes. There's the one in the back there. But yeah, I don't think they go faster. Let's turn them up to what's supposed to be high. See, because look, this one's already slowing down. Or it's picking up, I don't know. This one I'm a little bit skeptical about because of the way it's near this light. Okay, so this one's exactly the same on high, and this one's a teensy bit slower. Strange. And yeah, let's turn the lights on. stupid pull chain. I'm trying not to get my hand chopped off. Oh, I see what's happening. There it goes. This one's just super easy. That's why it's in the front, because it's probably going to be the most used light source. And then I'll turn these both off at the same time since they're on the same power strip. This one's wobbling away while it spins down. I'm gonna have to bend that blade down and get it in alignment. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Vintage Harper Reeds, etc. out.